Alright, so in this video we are going to be talking about arithmetic sequences, so let's get started. Alright, so you've probably already seen an arithmetic sequence, but you haven't really noticed anything about it or something like that. So, an arithmetic sequence is something like 2, 4, 6, 8, and all the way to 50. Now here, an arithmetic sequence is when if we have some terms x, y, z, a, let's say, we have some terms. In an arithmetic sequence, each term is split by an equal amount of stuff. So like in this case, we have +2 each time. We just add 2 each time. And this is what an arithmetic sequence is. And you might have seen arithmetic sequences in my videos, in my AMC 10 and the AMC 12, and I solved an AMC 10 and AMC 12 problem recently, both of them in one problem, obviously. 2009 AMC 10 and 2009 AMC 12A problem. And in that I used arithmetic sequence, and I talked about an arithmetic sequence, and it's basically where you have something like 2, 4, 6, 8, you add 2 each time until you reach a certain term k. So until you reach a certain, put a comma here, until you reach a term k, at which the arithmetic sequence stops. Now, we're going to work with this arithmetic sequence right here, x, y, z, a, all the way up to k. And over here, let's say it increases by +3 each time. So we just keep adding 3 until we hit k. So in an arithmetic sequence, you keep adding, and you keep like counting by 2s, that's an arithmetic sequence. Except in an arithmetic sequence, we stop sometime. Usually we stopped at a point. Like, in this case, we stopped at 50, that's an arithmetic sequence. So that's how you would do that. Now, how many terms are in this arithmetic sequence? I'm going to give you an arithmetic sequence, and we're going to start off, we're going to do 1, 8, 16, and then we're going to go all the way, we're going to go 16. I'm currently making an arithmetic sequence here. Do 24, and I'm going to do all the way to, let's see. Let's say you want to go all the way to, a number k. Now tell me, how would you find out how many terms are in this arithmetic sequence? In fact, let's just I'm going to do another example. Let's say we have 1, 3, 5, all the way to a number 31. First, tell me how many numbers are in this arithmetic sequence, how many numbers are in this arithmetic sequence, how many terms are in each arithmetic sequence. Alright, so hopefully you come up with a solution, and I expect you to come up with a solution to this, and come up with a way to find a solution to this. Now you probably already know how to find, like, if I gave you a list of numbers and I asked you to compute how many terms were in it, you would go k minus 1 plus 1. But over here we're adding 8 each time. So we need to divide by 8. So what we're going to do here is we are going to do k minus 1 divided by, we're adding 8 each time, and then plus 1 over 1. And that'll give us the answer. Now over here, let's apply this formula. In this case, k is 31. And we obviously have 1. And by the way, this is supposed to be m. In this case, m is just 1. So 31, or n, my bad. It's supposed to be n. 31 minus 1 divided by how much we're increasing it by, or decreasing. In this case, it's increasing. So 1, 2, 3. We're adding, as you can see, we're adding 2 each time. So it's a +2 increase. We divide by the increase, and we add on a 1. 31 minus 1 is obviously 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16, so there's 16 terms in this. I can kind of see where we're going with this, because 31 plus 1 is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. And since these are all odd, this is just divided by 1. So you can see how we're going with this entire 16 thing. That's how you compute the number of terms in arithmetic sequence. So that's like a basic introduction to arithmetic sequences. Hopefully this video is helpful. And yeah.